Welcome to this week's crypto update. Let's dive into the key drivers shaping the market. First up, Bitcoin's Wyckoff reaccumulation pattern is signaling potential bullish momentum. Keep an eye on how global liquidity is influencing Bitcoin's price movements. BlackRock is making waves with its latest Bitcoin investments, which could signal increased institutional interest. And don't forget the $16 billion distribution from FTX on the horizon. This could shake things up. Lastly, while institutional adoption is on the rise, be cautious with wrapped tokens. They come with their own risks. Stay informed and navigate wisely. Let's dive into the Bitcoin Wyckoff reaccumulation pattern. This strategy reveals how smart money accumulates assets while shaking out less informed traders. Right now, we're witnessing a series of lower lows and minor recoveries. Each dip tricks weaker hands into selling, while savvy investors are quietly buying. We're in the reaccumulation phase, full of volatility but ripe with opportunity. With major events like the US elections on the horizon, we could see a breakout that confirms this pattern and sends Bitcoin soaring to new heights. Keep your eyes peeled.
Global liquidity has surged over 5% in just the last 10 weeks. While that might seem small, we're talking trillions of dollars here. Historically, Bitcoin tends to lag behind these liquidity increases by about 3 months. So, we could be on the brink of a significant price jump for Bitcoin. As central banks ease their monetary policies, this influx of cash could really propel Bitcoin higher, especially as traditional currencies like the US dollar start to weaken. More liquidity means more fuel for Bitcoin's growth, and it's an exciting time to watch this unfold.
BlackRock is shaking things up by pivoting toward Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and financial instability. As the world's largest asset manager, their move signals serious cracks in traditional finance. With Bitcoin ETFs now approved and robust institutional infrastructure in place, BlackRock is positioning Bitcoin as a cornerstone for the future. This could unleash billions in institutional investment, propelling Bitcoin to new heights. If you've been waiting for the big players to dive in, this is the moment. The landscape of finance is changing, and Bitcoin is at the forefront.
On to the FTX news. $16 billion is set to be distributed to creditors this October. Many investors holding assets like Bitcoin and Solana will receive cash settlements. The big question is, where will that money go? It's likely a significant chunk will flow back into the crypto markets. Just imagine if half of that $16 billion gets reinvested into Bitcoin. We could see a massive boost in market momentum. Early October might just ignite Bitcoin's rally, making it an exciting time for crypto enthusiasts. Keep an eye on those trends. We're witnessing a significant shift in the financial landscape as traditional players like Franklin Templeton and Citibank dive into the crypto space. This isn't just a trend. It's a clear acknowledgement of Bitcoin's long-term value. With enhanced custody solutions and clearer regulations, these major institutions are making substantial moves, integrating Bitcoin into their portfolios. This accessibility for large-scale investors is paving the way for broader market adoption. It's exciting to see how these developments are transforming the perception of cryptocurrency in the financial world. Wrapped tokens, like wrapped Bitcoin, come with significant risks that you need to be aware of. When you wrap a token, you're putting your trust in a third party to back that asset. This introduces counterparty risk, smart contract vulnerabilities, and even regulatory uncertainties. Recently, platforms like Coinbase have changed their language around wrapped Bitcoin, which could let them off the hook if things go south. The bottom line? Wrapped assets are risky business. Whenever possible, stick to pure assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Holding the native token is always the safer bet. Today's crypto update has been packed with insights. We've seen Bitcoin's reaccumulation pattern gaining traction, signaling potential bullish moves ahead. Institutional adoption is on the rise, which could bring more stability to the market. But let's not overlook the risks associated with wrapped assets. They can be tricky. With all these factors coming into play, October is shaping up to be an exhilarating month for crypto enthusiasts. Stay informed and keep your eyes peeled for these developments. Happy trading!